Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 8i, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up any kind of application or content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings for this, as you can see. And the reason why I'm opening up settings is because there's two methods of capturing a screenshot. One would be a scrollable version of it. That's why I opened up settings so I can scroll down on it. So anyway, from here, you want to simply hold power key and volume down, both of the keys at the same time. You'll get a sound along with this little quick guide right here, an image that you have captured. So swipe up to share and swipe down for scrollable. So I'm gonna swipe down. If I leave it like that, it's just gonna capture the entire screen like it did. But if I go with the scrollable one, come on, there we go. It's gonna start scrolling. Now, unfortunately, HUAWEI has one of the not the greatest scrollable screenshots. This one is a little bit slower than they usually are, but as you can see, they're kind of overshoot. Let's see, we can. Does that make it longer? Nope, it just makes it worse. Okay. So as you can see, there is it basically starts scrolling. The moment you tap on it, it stops it. So what I can advise you to do if you want to take a long version of your screenshot is overshoot it by quite some mark. As an example, I can do it right now. So assuming, let's say I want to go down to, okay, I already know how to use it, already done this. So assuming I do it like this, let's just say I want to stop at, let's say location, right? But I overshot it. It looks like it stops at one moment, which is, I guess, nice. But let's say location was the thing that I wanted to stop on. So what I can do right here is simply crop it like so, and then save it. So anyway, all the screenshots that I have captured, scrollable one, non-scrollable one, basically all of them will be located in your gallery application. As you can see right here, a cluster of settings screenshots. So there is the cropped one, then there is non-cropped, and then there is the couple additional ones that I captured. And as you can see, it overrid the original photo, the short one. When you go to scrollable one, some phones keep the original one and capture another one that is the long one. But anyway, there we go. There are all the screenshots that I have captured, and that is how you would do it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.